Alright guys, today we're going to try and get this bike out here. I'm gonna do a short test ride on it. So let's see if we can even get it running, because I haven't touched it since I got it. But first let's clear everything out a bit so we can get it out of here. Alright, so I got the bike ready to push outside. It was nice and sunny when I came in like 5 minutes ago. And of course it's about to start raining when I want to go on a ride. Fucking hell. First of all, I'm just gonna see if it even wants to start. It's been sitting for so long. Still got lights. Doesn't sound promising. Alright, I'm back. As you guys can see, I have my motorcycle gear on. Whenever this bike starts, I'm gone. Not gonna go far though. It doesn't start on a cold engine, so I'm blasting it with some hot air. Yeah, I mean, hopefully it's gonna start. If not, that's gonna suck. I also put it on the charger for like an hour. Not sure if that's gonna do anything. I completely failed with getting my bike running, but I just bought this awesome new stabilizer. So let's go and get some nice shots of the bike. I'll tell you guys all about the plans I have for that bike. You just saw me fail horribly trying to start the Honda CB250 I bought like a few months ago now. A lot of you guys have been asking if I still have the bike and what my plans are for it. So that's why I wanted to go on a quick ride with it. But it has been standing in my shed since I bought it. I haven't touched it because I had exams and then prioritizing other projects. Mainly the PBR, I just want to get that out of my shed that has been standing there for way too long. But because so many of you guys have been asking about this, I just figured I would tell you guys what my actual plans are for that bike. So here we go. Now the reason it doesn't start is it still hasn't got a proper tune and the battery is just really low from standing. And yeah, when it's really cold outside it just doesn't start. But the idea is just to get it running, tune the carbs correctly, adjust the valves, fix the rear brake because it currently has no rear brake, check some of the electrical system because some of the lights are kind of funky, the wiring is kind of DIY, and just get it on the road. Put a speedo on it as well because it has no speedo, and just make sure it's a rideable bike. I'm not gonna change a lot of stuff about it yet. The plan is really just get it in a rideable and reliable state and just enjoy it, be able to enjoy it. It just has been standing still in my shed for too long. It needs to be on the road, so that's what the plan is for that bike. Now I do have bigger plans for it as well, but those will come somewhere down the road in 2020. And I guess I'll share those plans with you guys as well. So I'm planning to do my A2 license somewhere in 2020 and buying a bigger bike, which I mentioned on my live stream and stuff, so some of you guys know that. So I just want to ride the Honda until I have my bigger bike. Now when I get my bigger bike I can just ditch the Honda, I guess you could say, and you know, ride that bike and just focus on making the Honda awesome. Then why I'm doing that is because there's no point in taking it apart now. I just first want to enjoy it a bit, and then when I have a bigger replacement bike I can then take it apart. That just makes more sense to me. So I want to take it apart fully. I want to do a frame off full build on it, make it really nice, make it a nice little cafe racer, get the dents out of the tank, just really strip everything down, paint everything again. The frame, I want to put some spoked wheels on it, clip-ons, which are already on there. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna change them or not. Get a nice cafe racer seat on it, clean up the electricals, and just turn it into an awesome little cafe racers, and maybe even enter it into a show, a bike show. So that's the plan. This video idea kinda like backfired a little bit. I wanted to take it around the neighborhood, let you guys see me ride it, but yeah, just wouldn't start. So, and yeah, I mean, riding it wasn't the best idea either. It wouldn't have been really healthy for the bike to be on the road. It also wouldn't have been the most legal thing because, you know, insurance and stuff. And I might have just stranded somewhere and had to push it home because right now it's not reliable whatsoever. It barely starts, and when it does, it barely keeps running. But once it starts, it does sound awesome. Also, I'm working on a few different ways to make some money in order to pay for my license, for my A2 license and my bike. As some of you guys might know, I worked as a freelance editor to get the money for my R125 a few years back. Right now I'm doing something completely different. I actually bought a bunch of old cameras and I'm repairing them and then selling them for a profit. I'm probably gonna make a little Instagram page for the camera selling, like a little Instagram store. So if you're interested in that, follow me on Instagram at Legends Garage and I'll post on there when the other Instagram page goes live. This was kinda it for this week, guys. I'm really sorry it was such a short little video, but yeah, my idea just completely backfired. It happens sometimes. Expect a few bigger, awesomer project videos coming soon. I'm really sorry, I just been caught up with exams and shit, but I'm finally finished. Last week was my last week of exams. I saw someone in the comments saying like, God damn, how long do your exams last? Well, basically they start in the beginning of December and they end like near the end of January, so oh well, I'm done now. I have more time for videos, so keep your eyes peeled. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.